नमस्कार आम बहिर आउ एक कार्यक्रम को मु आपण मानक स्वागत करुच्ची। आज मु जो पुस्तकटी नहीं आज आपण मान निकट को आसी से पुस्तकटी संपूर्ण नुआ नुहे गोटे दृष्टि कारण आपण मानकर मन थी किछि मास तले ओडिशा शासन एक स्वर्ण युग यही शीर्षक एक ओडिया पुस्तक प्रकाशित होता। ये पुस्तकटी को प्राय 68 जन लेखक निज निजर प्रबंध दे एक संकलन आकार प्रकाश कराइथिले। ये 68 जन लेखक जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक 14 वर्षर मुख्यमंत्रित्व संपर्क में विभिन्न प्रसंग में आलोचना करिसेंती। आजिर ये इंग्राजी संस्करण प्रकाशित होईची जार शीर्षक रखा जाइए जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक द मार्च टू ए मॉडर्न ओडिशा। लेखक माने जो माने कार्यक्रम सहित संपृक्त थिले से निज निज दृष्टिकोण यार आकलन करिसेंती। यह संपूर्ण अनासक्त नहले मध्य निश्चित भाव में एक तथ्यनिष्ठ दस्तावेज जो माने समकालीन ओडिशा संपर्क में जानिबा को चाहूचंती निश्चित भाव में यह सेमानक पई एकांत उपादेय हबो।
I found that he was most forward looking and always concerned about the welfare of the people of Odisha and development of the rich resources of Odisha.
In our political system, who tried not only to achieve things, but also to give a new dimension to the idiom of political discourse, civilized discourse to political systems, so that in today's world of political equations, which is going down, a civilized way of conducting political conversation, political dialogue will be there. Lastly, I remember with humility one thing about myself. G.B. Patnaik has done a very well researched biography of his own father, and I was tremendously embarrassed when he asked me, requested me to release that book. It is something which I will never forget in my life.
This book, in fact, revolves around the history and documentation of those 15 years. But Janki Babu is not only a fine administrator, an experienced politician, and an eminent journalist. He's also a great scholar. He's made a major contribution to the Odia language and literature. He's a great translator. He translated the Srimad Bhagavad verse by verse into Odia and wrote a large number of books on Hindu philosophy. He's a Sanskritist. In fact, when he rang me and wanted me to release his book, I assumed it was going to be a book on the Upanishads or on the Bhagavad Gita. I was faintly disappointed when it wasn't, but nonetheless, I'm very happy that this compendium is there. It's a valuable compilation of essays. 68 authors have written short essays highlighting the multifaceted achievements of Sri Janki Vallabh Patnaik and throwing a great deal of light on the march of Odisha towards modernity. It is a privilege and a pleasure for me to have been asked to release this book for further presentation to the Honorable President. Mahasaraswati is already very kind to Janaki Babu. So I will end with a prayer to Mahalakshmi, with which I dedicate this book. Yasa Padmasanastha Vipul Katitati Padma Patrayatakshi Gambhira Vartanabhi Stanbharanamita Shubhra Vastrottariya Lakshmir Divyehi Gajendrehi Manigana Khachitehi Snapita Hem Kumbhe Nityam Sa Padmahasta Tava Vasatu Grahe Sarva Mangalya Yukta.
We are appreciative of the publisher, editor and the contributor who has analyzed different aspects of Janaki Babu's activities as Chief Minister. This is not the chronicle of his life. His life is much larger than what has been put in this. But his contribution as Chief Minister in 3 terms clearly demonstrate how his progressive thinking brought industrialization in Odisha. His slogan of 1,000 crore investment in 1,000 industries in 1,000 days actually changed the roadmap of industrialization process of Odisha. I thank the contributors and I again thank Soumya Patnaik for taking this initiative of editing and bringing out this publication.
Extremely happy today to be here in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where Honorable President is going to be presented the first copy of this book on Odisha, to be released by Honorable Dr. Karan Singh. This book is not a eulogy, neither a eulogy nor a biography. It is a record of the events and achievements of a period in Odisha where I had the occasion to serve the state as Chief Minister.
I truly enjoyed editing this book, Janaki Vallabh Patnaik, The March to a Modern Odisha, because the 68 essays that have been included in this book are not just eulogies or praises of Sri Janaki Vallabh Patnaik, but they were actually representation of the situation on the ground that prevailed when Janaki Babu took over as the Chief Minister of Odisha in 1980. Basically, all these essays, I feel, younger breed of politicians, but not just in Odisha but across the country, will get a lot of tips about Janaki Babu's work style and how a Chief Minister was successful in transforming Odisha from a relatively backward state to an industrially developed state. What I liked most after reading these 68 essays is that it brought out the traits of Janaki Vallabh Patnaik as a man who took a consensual approach in actually implementing his ideas on the ground.
प्रथम ओडिया संस्करण में 67 थिला किंतु वैषयिक क्षेत्र में विशेषकर पठाणी सामंत प्लानेटोरियम निर्माण में जानकी जो भूमिका ता बदले गोटे लेखा द्वितीय संस्करण में संयोजित होता से लेखाटी इंग्राजी पुस्तक अच्छी ता सहित आसाम राज्यपाल हवा परे गोटे लेखा अच्छी जी आर अन्यतम संपादक वासमीर हुसैन से लेखाटी प्रस्तुत करिसेंती एवं गोटे स्वतंत्र साक्षात्कार आसाम राज्यपाल जानकी बाबूंकर से करिसेंती एमती 68टी आउ एई दुईटी संयोजित लेखा मोट 70 लेखा को लेकर ये जो बहीटी प्रकाश पाई सेटा बहु पाठक निश्चित भाव में ताकू आदर करेंगे।
राष्ट्रपति भवन रे उन्मोचित हो जाइछि आम ओडिशा तरफ प्रकाशित आउ एक उपादेय पुस्तक जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक द मार्च टू ए मॉडर्न ओडिशा। काश्मीर राजपरिवार दायद विशिष्ट लेखक विद्वान तथा राजनेता करण सिंह ए पुस्तक को उन्मोचन करिसेंती। पुस्तकर प्रथम कॉपीटी उत्सर्ग करा जाइछि राष्ट्रपति प्रणब मुखर्जी को। अगस्ट 22 तारिख उन्मोचन उत्सव में राष्ट्रपति प्रणब मुखर्जी ओडिशार पूर्वतन मुख्यमंत्री तथा आसाम राज्यपाल जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक तांको सहधर्मिणी श्रीमती जयंती पट्टनायक आम ओडिशार अध्यक्ष सौम्यरंजन पट्टनायक समेत अनेक विशिष्ट साहित्यिक केन्द्रमंत्री आसाम मंत्रिमंडल सदस्य जोग देइथिले। सौम्यरंजन पट्टनायक संपादित ओडिशा शासनर एक स्वर्णजुग पुस्तकर इंग्राजी अनुवाद होउछि जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक द मार्च टू ए मॉडर्न ओडिशा। आसामर स्वनामधन्य साहित्यिक तथा टेलीविजन व्यक्तित्व वासफिर हुसैन होउछन्ति ए पुस्तकर इंग्राजी अनुवादक। बहिटिरे सन्निवेशित होइछि विंश शताब्दीर 80 दशकर समकालीन ओडिशा इतिहासर कथा। ओडिशा माटीर सुयोग्य दायित्व विशिष्ट राजनेता श्रेष्ठ साहित्यिक अनुवादक तथा प्रख्यात समाजसेवी जानकी वल्लभ पट्टनायक 14 वर्षर मुख्यमंत्रित्व काल ओडिशार सर्वांगीन विकासर चित्र ए पुस्तक प्रतिफलित। जानकी वल्लभ को व्यक्तिगत भाव जानिथिबा तांको संस्पर्श रे आसीथिबा एवं तांको कार्यधारा को अति पाखरु निरेखी देखिथिबा 67 जन लब्ध प्रतिष्ठित व्यक्तिंक लेखा एथिरे स्थान पाइछि।
ब्यूरोक्रेसी पर अंकुश थिला ता संगे संगे अति श्रृंखलित एवं डेडिकेटेड थे ओडिशा पे काम करियो। एपरि डेडिकेटेड बैच ओडिशा रे काम करिवा पूर्व नथिला कि परे।